Vardhan. I am studying in LKG. My school name is San Philomena High School in Chandapura.
States and capitals?
States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati; Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar; Assam, Dispur; PR, Patna; Chandigarh, Raipur; Goa, Panaji; Gujarat, Gandhinagar; Haryana, Chandigarh; Himachal Pradesh, Shimla; Jharkhand, Ranchi; Karnataka, Bengaluru; Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram; Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal; Maharashtra, Mumbai; Manipur, Impal; Meghalaya, Shillong; Mizoram, Aizwal; Nagaland, Kohima; Odisha, Bhubaneswar; Punjab, Chandigarh; Sikkim, Gangtok; Tamil Nadu, Chennai; Telangana, Hyderabad; Tripura, Agartala; Uttarakhand, Belur; Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow; West Bengal, Kolkata.
Rivers of India?
Rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari; Indus, Kaveri; Krishna, Mahanadi; Narmada; Periyar; Tamarabarani; Vaigai; Yamuna.
8 planets?
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Earth, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus. Dashamatara of Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parashurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalaki.
4 Vedas?
4 Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Neighboring countries of India?
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring states of Karnataka?
Neighboring states of Karnataka: Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra; Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
5 oceans?
5 oceans: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
7 continents?
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Jnanapita Award winners from Karnataka?
Jnanapita Award winners from Karnataka: Kuvenpu, Dara Bendre, Shivram Karan, Nasti Venkatesh Iyengar, E.K. Gokar, U.R. Ananthamurthy, Girish Karnad, Chandrasekhar Kambara.
Classical dance forms of India?
Classical dance from India: Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu; Kathakali, Kerala; Kathak, Uttar Pradesh; Manipuri, Manipur; Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh; Odisha, Odissi; Bhubaneswar, Punjab; Chandigarh, Raipur; Sataliya, Assam; Marki dance, Madhya Pradesh; Dandiya, Gujarat; Yakshagana, Karnataka.
National
National
festivals?
festivals: January 26, Republic Day; August 50, Independence Day; September 5, Teachers Day; October 2, Gandhi Jayanti; November 14, Children's Day.
7 wonders of India?
7 wonders of India: Gomteshwar in Karnataka; Taj Mahal in Delhi; Hampi Temple in Karnataka; Konasal Temple in Odisha; Nalanda University in Bihar; Khajuraho in Madhya Pradesh; Konasal Temple in Punjab.
Official languages of India?
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Bodo, Togri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, ಕೊಂಕಣಿ, ಮಲಯಾಳಂ, ಮರಾಠಿ, ಮೈಥಿಲಿ, ಮಣಿಪುರಿ, ನೇಪಾಳಿ, ಒಡಿಯಾ, ಪಂಜಾಬಿ, ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ್, ಸಂತಾಲಿ, ಸಿದ್ದಿ, ತಮಿಳ್, ತೆಲುಗು, ಉರ್ದು.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts in Karnataka. Bagalkot, Ballari, Bida, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Harpai, Belgavi, Chamrajnagar, Chikbalapur, Chitradurga, Dashin Kannada, Davangere, Dharwad, Gatak, Assam, Kaveri, Kalburgi, Kodagu, Kola, Koppal, Mandya, Mysore, Ramnagar, Raichur, Shivamogga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttarakhand, Vijaypur, Yadgiri.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Names of Rutus.
Names of Rutus: Vasanta Rutu, Shishma Rutu, Vasha Rutu, Sharida Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shashira Rutu.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu Nuramal, Chaitra, Vaishaka, Jyeshta, Ashana, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashvija, Kartika, Magashira, Posha, Magha, Palguna.
Father of the nation.
Mahatma Gandhi.
National anthem.
National
National anthem.
Janaganamana,
National song.
Vande Mataram,
National emblem.
Lion Capitals,
National flag.
3-color flag,
National flower.
Lotus,
National animal.
Tiger,
National sea animal.
Dolphin,
National bird.
Peacock,
National fruit.
Mango,
National vegetable.
Pumpkin,
National language.
Hindi,
National calendar.
Saka Calendar,
National book.
National
Book.
Bhagavad Gita,
National game.
Aki,
National tree.
Banyan Tree,
National river.
Ganga.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women Freedom Fighters of India: Durgabai Deshmukh, Arna Safali, Suchitra Triparani, Kitturani Chennamma, Keladi Chennamma, Vanage Ogava, Vijayalakshmi Pandit, Sarojini Naidu, Vijayantilani Lakshmibai.
Major cities in India.
Major cities in India: New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur.
Borders of India.
Borders of India: North Himalayas, South Indian Ocean, East Bay of Bengal, West Arabian Sea.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka: Pulkeshi, Krishnadevaraya, Vishnuvardhana, Maulavarma, Amoga Varsha, Matakali Nayaka, Kitturani Chennamma, Akka Bukka, Jayachambaraja Odeya, Kempe Gowda.
Epics of India.
Epics of India: Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Indian festivals.
Indian festivals: January 20th,
Ganesh Chaturthi.
Ganesh Chaturthi, Navaratri, Desalam, Deepavali, Mahashivratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Moharram, Good Friday.
Religions of India.
Religions of India: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
10 Mukhya Upanishads.
10 Mukhya Upanishad: Ishavasya Upanishad, Kena Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Prasna Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad, Aitanya Upanishad, Chaitanya Upanishad, Brihadaranyaka Upanishad.
18 Puranas.
18 Puranas: Vishnu Purana, Matsya Purana, Bhavishya Purana, Padma Purana, Kurma Purana, Vara Purana, ಅಗ್ನಿ ಪುರಾಣ, ವಾಮನ ಪುರಾಣ, ಕಂದ ಪುರಾಣ,
ಭಾಗವತ ಪುರಾಣ.
ಭಾಗವತ ಪುರಾಣ, ಶಿವ ಪುರಾಣ.
Most popular international airports.
Most popular international airport, Indira Gandhi Airport in New Delhi, Rajiv Gandhi Airport in Hyderabad, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport in Mumbai, Chennai Airport in Chennai, Kempegowda Airport in Bangalore.
And Union Territories.
9 Union Territories, New Delhi, Chandigarh, Tamil Nadu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh.
7 wonders of the world.
7 wonders of the world, Asia. In the Great Fall of Chennai, Machu Picchu, Taj Mahal, Stodedera, Colosseum, Bestozadar, Chichen Itza.
Indian dynasties.
Indian dynasties, Chalukya dynasties, Chola dynasties, Vaisalya dynasties,
Maurya dynasty.
Maurya dynasties, Pallava dynasties, Rashtrakuta dynasties, Mughal dynasties, Vijayanagara dynasties, Vardhana dynasties.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India, rights to equality, rights to freedom, rights to organized exploitation, rights to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, rights to freedom of religion.
Thank you. Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists: Srinivas Ramanujan, C.V. Rama, Homi Bhabha, Jagdish Chandra Bose, Meghana Saha, Ramesh Visharaya, Satyarnath Bose, Subramanya Chandrasekhar, Viksan Sarabhai, Anu Godkar, APJ Abdul Kalam.
Countries and capitals.
Countries and capitals: Afghanistan, Kabul, Argentina, Buenos Aires, Australia, Canberra, Austria, Vienna, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Brazil, Bhutan, Thimphu, Brazil, Colombia, Bogota, Denmark, Beijing, Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo, Fiji, Cairo, Finland, Helsinki.
Genders.
Genders: masculine, female, male, female, boy, girl, brother, sister, father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, son, madam, goalie, bull, cow, cock, egg, dog, beach, lion, lioness, tiger, tigress. ಲಿಂಗಗಳು: ಹುಲಿಲಿಂಗ, ಶ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ, ಗಂಡು, ಹೆಣ್ಣು, ಹುಡುಗ, ಹುಡುಗಿ, ಅಣ್ಣ, ಅಕ್ಕ, ತಂದೆ, ತಾಯಿ, ಮಗ, ಮಗಳು, ಅಪ್ಪ, ಅವ್ವ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ, ಪ್ರಾಸ್ತ, ಬ್ರೈಡ್, ಗಂಡ, ಹೆಂಡತಿ, ಪುರುಷ, ಮೈಲಿ, ಸೋದರಳಿಯ, ಸೋದರ ಸೊಸೆ, ನನ್, ಮೇಡಮ್, ಡಾಟರ್, ಗೂಳಿ, ಮಗ, ಮಗಳು, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ, ಬ್ರಾಸ್ತ, ಬ್ರೈನಿ.